The world of virtual reality has been moving faster than ever, and every new generation of headsets seems to raise the bar for what we thought was possible. Now, with the leaks surrounding the upcoming Meta Quest 4, it feels like we are about to witness one of the biggest leaps forward in consumer VR. The Meta Quest 4, which has been whispered about for months in the tech community, is finally beginning to show its shape through credible leaks, insider reports, and subtle hints dropped by Meta itself. What makes this moment so electrifying is the fact that the Quest 4 doesn't look like just another routine upgrade. Instead, it appears to be a headset that could redefine the balance between price, performance, and accessibility in the VR market. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Fans and analysts alike have been waiting for Meta to reveal its hand, and now that key details are leaking, excitement is reaching a fever pitch. The leaked specs suggest that Meta is going all in on power and efficiency this time. Reports indicate that the Quest 4 will be running on Qualcomm's latest XR chipset, which is expected to deliver performance levels never before seen in a standalone headset. Early benchmarks show that this chip might even surpass the raw graphical performance of current mid-range gaming laptops, which is an astonishing claim. This means the Quest 4 won't just be an incremental step forward, but could actually become a device capable of running experiences that were previously only possible on PC VR systems tethered with a cable. For developers, this opens up a whole new playground where they can design richer environments, higher resolution textures, and more complex gameplay mechanics without worrying as much about the limitations of mobile hardware. For gamers, it could mean smoother frame rates, higher fidelity, and the kind of immersion that has been promised for years but only partially delivered until now. Another area where the leaks point to massive improvements is the display technology. The Quest 3 introduced pancake lenses that reduced bulk and improved clarity, but the Quest 4 is rumored to push this even further. According to supply chain reports, the headset may feature dual OLED or micro OLED panels with a resolution approaching 4K per eye. Combined with a higher refresh rate, possibly up to 144 Hz, this would make the visual experience sharper and more fluid than ever. The screen door effect that plagued earlier VR headsets is practically disappearing, and Meta seems determined to make the Quest 4 feel more like looking through a real window into another world rather than staring at a display. If true, this leap in display technology could be a game changer for both gamers and professionals who use VR for work, design, or training simulations. Comfort has always been a deciding factor in whether people stick with VR after the initial honeymoon period, and it looks like Meta is taking this seriously. The Quest 4 is rumored to have a completely redesigned head strap system, making it more ergonomic and balanced, reducing pressure points on the face and forehead. The headset itself might also be slimmer and lighter thanks to improved optics and new materials. Battery placement is expected to be optimized as well, possibly integrated into the rear strap for better weight distribution. These changes could make long VR sessions far less fatiguing, which is crucial if Meta wants the Quest 4 to appeal not just to hardcore gamers but also to casual users and professionals who might be wearing the headset for hours at a time. Of course, VR is not just about visuals. Tracking and input are equally important, and the leak suggests that Meta has some major upgrades in store here as well. The Quest 4 is expected to feature inside-out tracking with improved cameras, but what's most exciting is the possibility of advanced facial and eye tracking.